Ito ka na naman, kumakatok sa aking pintuan, muling naghahanap ng makakausap. At heto naman ako, nakikinig sa mga kwentong mong paulit-ulit lang. Nagtitiis kahit nasasaktan. Ewan kung bakit ba hindi ka pa nadadala. Hindi ba't kailan lang nang ika'y iwanan niya. At ewan kung nasa'yo, parang baliwala ang puso ko. Ano nga bang meron siya na sa akin ay di mo makita? Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Narito ang puso ko, naghihintay lamang sa'yo. Ito pa rin ako, umaasang ang puso mo. Baka sakali bang ito'y magbago. Narito lang ako, kasama mo buong buhay mo. Ang kulang na lang, mahalin mo rin ako lubusan. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling mag-iisa. Kung ako na lang sana ang iyong minahal, di ka na muling luluha pa. Di ka na mangangailangan pang humanap ng iba. Nooy umibig na ako, subalit nasaktan ng puso. Parang ayoko nang umibig pang muli. May takot na nadarama na muli ay maranasan. Ayoko nang masaktan muli ang puso ko. Ngunit nang ikaw ay makilala, biglang nagbago ang nadarama. Para sa'yo ako'y ibig pang muli. Dahil sa'yo ako'y ibig ng muli. Ang aking puso'y pag-ingatan mo. Dahil sa ito'y muling magmamahal sa'yo, para lang sa'yo. Muli ay aking nadama kung paano ang umibig. Masakit man ang nakaraan, nalimot na. Ang tulad mo'y naiiba, at sa'yo lamang nakita ang tunay na pag-ibig. Pansin mo ba ang pagbabago? Di matitigan ng iyong mga mata. Tila di na nananapig sa iyong yakap at halik. Sana'y malaman mo, hindi sinasadya. Kung ang nais ko ay maging malaya, di lang ikaw ang nahihirapan. Damdamin ko rin ay naguguluhan. Di lang ikaw ang nababahala. Bulong ng isip, huwag kang pagkawalan. Ngunit puso ko ay kailangan kang iwan. Pansin mo ba at nararamdaman? Di na tayo magkaintindihan. Tila hindi na maibabalik tamis ng yakap at halik. Someday, someone's gonna love me the way I wanted you to meet me. Someday, someone's gonna take your place. One day, I'll forget about you. You'll see, I won't even miss you. Someday, someday. Right now, I know you can tell I'm down and I'm not doing well. But one day these tears, they will all run dry. I won't have to cry sweet goodbye.
The last kiss we shared tasted like a wine, sweet and bitter like our memories. And I long for you to come right back to me. Oh, tomorrow the time will be the same as today. Nothing goes on in my heart except your memories. Where will you be and who will you think of? Oh yeah, you were always gonna be my love. And you should know, even if I fall in love with somebody else, I'll remember to love you. Taught me how. You're always gonna be the one, and for now I'll still be singing this love song for somebody like you, my first love. how two hearts can come together and love can last forever. But now that I have found you, I believe that a miracle has come when God sends a perfect one. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life. Oh, I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me.
I promise that wherever you may go, wherever life may lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. And from this moment on, I want you to know I'll let nothing come between us, and I will love the ones you love. Now gone are all my questions about why, and I've never been so sure of anything in my life.
I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. When God made you, He must have been thinking about me. He made the sun and made the moon to harmonize in perfect tune. One can't move without the other, they just have to be together. And that is why I know it's true. You're for me and I'm for you, 'cause my world just can't be right without you in my life. I wonder what God was thinking when He created you. I wonder if He knew everything I would need, because He made all my dreams come true. He must have